Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Khair, math teacher at KKI Schools, and our mission today to make a revision for 3-2 and 3-3. And let us take this question. For example, it is m minus 1 over 3 is greater than or equal negative 1. How we can solve this? As you know, this is the left side and this is the right side, and our goal here to make m alone and happy. And as you know, we ignore this side and we ignore the coefficient, so we have to add what? Positive 1 over 3 in this side. And what we do in the left side, my dear student, you have to be fair, you have to do in the right side, so plus 1 over 3. Okay, my dear student, are you happy with that? Now in the left side or the other side, the m coming down alone and happy, okay, is greater than or equal, and waiting. What will happen here? Actually here I will take it here beside. Actually it will be negative 1, positive 1 over 3. Do from up to down all of time. Yes. Now this negative 1, it is negative 1 over 1, and as you see here they are different. I know you know. So multiply by 3, multiply by 3. So up I have negative 3 over 3, positive 1 over 3. Now down I have the same, so I don't have to negative 3, positive 1, and this is equal negative 2. So negative 2 over 3. So the answer here will be negative 2 over 3. Are you happy with that? So my dear student, this will be m greater than negative 2 over 3. Okay. Now he asked me if he asked you to graph it, this one. How we can graph it? We draw a number line and we write negative. We draw a circle here and fill it because the equal sign, and write negative 2 over 3. Just copy it and read it again, this. And we read from the letter side. We read from the letter side. M is greater than or equal. Greater means we have to move to the right. Okay. Now how we can write this as interval? And we know that there are a positive infinity here. Yes? Okay, so what we have to do to write it as interval, we just, my dear student, we just drop this down and drop this down and put a comma, and here we have closed interval and here open all of time. Okay, this is extra. Now let us move and learn about something else. If we have like this question, for example, 5m negative 1 and negative 3m is greater than or equal any number, negative 8. Okay, this is the left side and this is the right side, and we have to combine the m's together. Here I have 5m or positive 5, and here I have negative 3m, so combine them together first at the first step. So it is 2m negative 1 is greater than or equal negative 8. So from here we start again. This is the left and this is the right, so plus 1 plus 1. Okay, the 2m coming down here because this eliminated, and negative 8 and 1, actually it is negative 7. So erase everything here and I reach here. What we have to do here, my dear student, yes, as you know, I know you know, divide by 2, divide by 2, the m coming down alone, and we draw this, and we drop the negative 7 over 2, and m is greater to the right, and this is positive infinity. Are you happy with that? I hope so. The last question here, if I have a coefficient fraction, for example, negative 5 over 4, m less than or equal 6. Here I can solve it in two ways. Okay, the easy way, I multiply this by this, it will be negative 5m less than or equal 24. This is the first step. Okay, and my dear student, let us make this not 6. Let me return back to make the answer nice, as nice answer. I will make this 5 and this 6. Okay, let us start over now. Okay, the first step, as we say, this is this. If I have a coefficient, you know, the old one, but I will start this the easy way. Okay, are you happy? Yes, the easy way, we multiply 5 by 6. This is the first step. So negative 6m less than or equal 30. You see, this is the first step. The second step, you know that, divide by negative 6. Divide by negative 6. Stop here, please, one moment. The coefficient is negative. Directly, what you have to do, switch the sign. Okay? Switch the sign. So, teacher, if the coefficient is negative, I switch the sign of the inequality? Yes, my dear student. Now, the I'm coming down alone and happy. And here, 30, as you see, divided by negative 6, so it is equal negative 5. Now I have to graph it. Let us graph it. So the negative 5 here, fill the circle. Okay, and the negative 5 coming here and move to the right, greater. Read, m is greater than negative 5. So move to the right, directly to the positive infinity actually, and drop the negative 5, drop the positive infinity, and close from here and open from here. Okay, teacher, if you don't have this sign, the inequality sign, so you have to make this empty, my dear student. You have to make it empty sign here. Okay, my dear student, and here will be open like this, parentheses, not closed interval. Are you happy with that? This is all, my dear student. Okay, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.